minute. Pour in 1 can of diced tomatoes and 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning. Stir and simmer for 5 minutes until the sauce tightens slightly and the color deepens to a rich red-orange. Taste and adjust seasoning. The sauce should be bold enough to stand up to the shrimp. Add the shrimp to the sauce in a single layer. Cook 2 minutes per side just until pink and curled. Do not overcook. The shrimp carry over heat fast and should come off the pan slightly underdone since they finish in the residual sauce heat. Finish the grits with 2 tablespoons of butter and salt to taste. They should be thick, creamy, and spoonable. Spoon a generous base of grits into a wide bowl. Ladle the shrimp and Creole sauce directly over the top. Finish with sliced green onion and a few dashes of hot sauce. The contrast of the pale, creamy grits against the deep orange sauce is the visual payoff. If you want the next Creole dish or have a Southern recipe you want on the channel, drop it in the comments. Like and save this one, and subscribe to the Cooking Keys.